Hi everyone, in this episode we focus on Persian non-family relationships. Dost in Persian means friend. Rafiq or Rafiq means buddy or fella. And Ashna is acquaintance. Hamkar means colleague or co-worker. Ham otaqi is roommate and hamkhune is flatmate. As you can see, these three words start with ham. Ham on its own means two, also, and as well. But when we use it as a prefix at the beginning of the word, it means co, mate, or same, and refers to something that we share or have in common with someone. For example, kar means work or job, and when we put it together with ham, it gives us hamkar, colleague or co-worker, which refers to someone with the same line of work. Otaq means room, so ham otaqi is someone who we share a room with, and khune means house. So ham khune refers to someone we share a house with. Within the same word construction, we get the noun hamsaye, which means neighbor. Saye means shadow. So in Persian, we perceive our neighbors as people we share the same shadows of the same trees, houses, or the block with. Then we have ham mahallei or ham mahalli, ham shahri, and ham mihan or ham watan. Mahalle means neighborhood. So ham mahallei or ham mahalli refers to someone who lives in the same neighborhood as us. Shahr means city. So ham shahri is someone who lives in the same city with us. And mihan and watan both mean country. So ham mihan and ham watan are people who come from the same country. Similarly, from the noun kelas, class, we get ham kelasi, classmate. From bazi, game or play, we have ham bazi, playmate. From team, we have ham timi, teammate. And from safar, journey or travel, we get the noun ham safar, which means fellow traveler or co-traveler. This construction is very productive in Persian word formation, and it's not limited to non-family relationships. We will expand on it in the next episode of Systematic Persian Vocab Builder. Now let's put our new vocabulary into practice. I have a lot of friends. من خیلی دوست دارم. What's up, buddy? چه خبر رفیق؟ Or چه خبر رفیق? We have 4 close friends and a lot of acquaintances. ما 4 تا دوست نزدیک و خیلی آشنا داریم. My colleagues are great. همکارهای من عالی هستند. Is your roommate Iranian? هم اتاقی تو ایرانیه. Our flatmate has a cat. هم خونه ما یک گربه داره. We have a neighbor from Finland. ما یه همسایه فنلاندی داریم. My best friend and I are in the same neighborhood. من و بهترین دوستم هم محله‌ای هستیم. Or هم محلی هستیم. My mother and father are from the same city. مادر و پدرم هم شهری هستند. Our fellow countrymen and women are warm and kind. هم میهنهای ما گرم و مهربونن. Or هموطنهای ما گرم و مهربونن. My roommate and I are classmates. من و هم اتاقیم هم کلاسی هستیم. My wife is my childhood playmate. خانومم هم بازی کودکیمه. My kids' teammates are always cheerful and full of energy. هم تیمی های بچم همیشه سر حال و پر انرژی هن. We are traveling with a large group this summer. We have 10 fellow travelers. ما این تابستون با یک گروه بزرگ سفر می کنیم. ما 10 تا همسفر داریم. Perfect. Now you know how to talk about your non family relationships in your Persian conversations. Have fun with your Persian and see you soon.